Bill here with Hill Brothers. We're going to talk about coupling today. Okay, so now that I got done hooking up, when I was in my truck, what I could see in my mirrors is when I backed up, everything was lined up nice and straight. When I got my fifth wheel underneath the trailer, you could see that trailer got lifted up. And if it wasn't totally straight, it would slide into place. So what that's doing is just letting me know that I lifted the trailer up off the ground so that it didn't bend the legs when I got underneath it, which is, we'll go back and look at that while I'm hooking everything up. And then we'll get everything connected and look underneath to make sure the locking jaw is wrapped around the kingpin and we're good to go. Make sure that when I did my tug test, everything actually stayed connected. I'm going to make sure I got my coupling unit connected correctly so I can see my locking jaw release handle is back into the locked position. Now I'm going to go in here with the flashlight. I'll hold it up, make sure that locking jaw is wrapped around the kingpin. And it is. And now I'm going to come over here and raise up my landing gear. First, I'm going to start with my landing gear. I'm going to make sure that I lower this down. You want to leave about an inch between your feet and the ground. Now I'm going to come over here and pull my fifth wheel release handle. I want to make sure it stays out. And after that, I'm going to come over and get my glad hands. And I'm going to get back in the truck. I'm going to lower my suspension and slowly drive away while the trailer makes contact with the ground. What you don't want to do is pull away fast, let that trailer slam on the ground, especially when you have a loaded trailer. So then when you get in your truck, you're going to drop your suspension. Your suspension will lower, your landing gear will make contact with the ground, and you can pull away. That way the next guy that gets here, he can just hook right up, no problems. Those landing gears feet are going to come off the ground. They're not, so that way they don't bend or anything like that, cause problems with those. And your next guy doesn't have to sit there, mess with that handle to get it to the right height so that he can hook back up.